Here's what happens to your body if you eat 1 cucumber a day. Number 1, keeps you perfectly hydrated. Water is considered to be a life-giving fluid that is essential for your body. Having less than the required amount of water in the body results in dehydration, causing you to be susceptible to several diseases. Thankfully, including cucumber in your daily diet replenishes the lost water within your body, keeping you perfectly hydrated. Number 2, improved digestion. Cucumber is considered a good source of nutritious fiber that will help your body function properly. Number 3, stronger bone. Cucumbers are also a source of calcium necessary to eliminate the risks of low bone density and fractures. Number 4, reduced risk of developing cancer cells in your body. Number 5, reduced risk of inflammation. The water content and vitamin C present in cucumber can arrest the spread of damaged cells in your body, thus saving you from multiple chronic inflammatory conditions including heart ailments. Number 6, rejuvenates and makes your hair stronger. Number 7, better gut health. An insufficient amount of water and dietary fibers in your body may cause constipation, causing you great discomfort. Number 8, healthier kidney stones. The water content of cucumber can flush out all toxins from your body. Number 9, your blood pressure will be in control. Number 10, healthier skin. Number 11, pain relief. Number 12, fresher breath. Number 13, better eye health.